In the bustling city of Kristiania, Norway, in the year 1901, a vision was born. This vision was the brainchild of Alfred Bernhard Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, a man whose inventions had made a significant impact on warfare. Yet, it was his will that would reshape the world in a more peaceful manner. Nobel, in his last will and testament, established the Nobel Prizes, a series of awards given annually to those who have made significant contributions in the fields of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, and peace. The Nobel Peace Prize, in particular, was created to honor individuals or organizations working tirelessly for fraternity between nations, the abolition or reduction of standing armies, and the holding and promotion of peace congresses. However, the road to the first Nobel Peace Prize was fraught with controversy. The first laureate, Henri Dunant, a Swiss businessman, was not even aware he had been nominated. His actions during the Battle of Solferino in 1859, where he tended to wounded soldiers without distinction of race, uniform, or nationality, had moved the world. Yet, the nomination process was chaotic and lacked clarity, leading to confusion and debate. In 1905, the first formal awards ceremony was held in Stockholm, Sweden. The Peace Prize was shared by Dunant and Frédéric Passy, a French peace activist. The ceremony was a bold statement, a beacon of hope in a world still recovering from the devastation of wars. The Nobel Peace Prize has since become a symbol of peace and unity, a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome conflict and strive for a more peaceful world. From Mahatma Gandhi to Nelson Mandela, Malala Yousafzai to Aung San Suu Kyi, the list of laureates is a testament to the power of peace and the indomitable spirit of humanity. The Nobel Peace Prize stands as a reminder of the potential for peace, a call to action for future generations, and a testament to the power of unity in a divided world. It is a legacy that continues to inspire and challenge us, a beacon of hope in a world that often seems mired in conflict. In the words of Alfred Nobel, the Peace Prize is not awarded for peace as such, but to individuals who have done something for peace. This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of the Nobel Peace Prize, a recognition of individual efforts towards a more peaceful world. As we look back on the history of the Nobel Peace Prize, we are reminded of the power of one person to make a difference, and the hope that lies in the collective efforts of humanity.